नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि व बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Today we are going to learn about, and we'll start with a family 5. We have been doing family 2, 3 and 4. And Alhamdulillah, we are done with these families. Salasi Mazid Fihi, Bab Tafil family 2. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. This was our family 2. Then we did family 3, Bab Mufa'ala, Jahada Yujahidu Jihadan wa Mujahadatan. Just notice and remember that it has two mazdars, Jihadan wa Mujahadatan. And the name comes from Bab Mufa'ala, from Mujahada. Fahuwa Mujahidun. Juhida Yujahadu Jihadan wa Mujahadatan Fahuwa Mujahadun. Al-amru minhu jahid wa nahyu anhu la tujahid wa zarfu minhu mujahadun. And I hope that you all have remembered this family 2, 3 and 4, all these three families that we have learned so far. Then we have Salasi Mazid Fi Bab Ifal, family 4. Aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Uslima yuslamu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Al-amru minhu aslim wa nahyu anhu la tuslim wa zarfu minhu muslimun. And we notice that these all families, family 2, 3, and 4, have this U and E sound in their fairly mudare. U, E, and U, E sounds. And this was these two were the very well-known markers for all these three families, family 2, 3, and 4. Aslama yuslimu, allama yuallimu, jahada yujahidu. So this UE sound is quite visible in all these three families, family 2, 3, and 4. Bab tafil, bab mufala, bab ifal. Alhamdulillah. And we also learn about the implications of the surf patterns. These families, bab tafil, family 2, we learned that this is transitive and this is long-term and repetitive. Allama yuallimu ta'liman fahuwa muallimun. We learn about family 3 that it is transitive and the action applied to other, and it is also repetitive, shows intensity and domination of one party. And you can refer all the previous lectures for the details of these family implications. So this family 3 is jahada, yujahidu, jihadan wa mujahadatan fahuwa mujahidun. And remember this E sound for fairly mudari because it is going to help you when we are going to learn a family 5, 6, and 7. Babifal family 4, and the implications are that it is transitive, immediate, and complete. The action is complete in one action. Aslama in one go. Aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Just remember the first part and the other part will be easy to remember and to recall. So family 2, bab tafil. Allama means he taught. Yu'allimu means he teaches. Fa'il mudari, masdar is ta'liman, education. Ism fa'il is fahuwa mu'allimun. That is, it is that therefore he is a teacher. فعل ماضي مبني للمجهول أُلِّمَ. Notice that it has a dhamma and a kasra. أُلِّمَ, and it is different from the فعل ماضي allama, فعل ماضي, and this is majhul, this is malum, this is majhul. فعل مضارع مبني للمجهول يُعَلَّمَ, it has the fatha and it has the kasra in the فعل مضارع malum. مصدر is تعليما, this is same اسم مفعول فهو معلم. Al-amru minhu allim means teach, and wanahyu anhu la tuallim means don't teach, and wazarfu minhu muallamun, place of teaching. In the same way, family 3 and family 4 we did in Sarf Saghir and the Sarf Kabir charts. So inshallah today we are going to learn about family 5, 6 and 7, and we are going to continue in just a 15-minute lecture, and we'll see if you can complete family 5, 6, and 7, and then we'll continue in the other sessions. Inshallah. So notice one thing that we learned in family 2, 3, and 4, that this ui sound was very important in fa'li mudare, yuslimu, yu'allimu, yujahidu. But here in family 5, 6, and 7, you are going to learn that we are going to learn that all the fa'li mudare will contain and will start with ya with a fatha. See this, and these three starting three families, we have ya with the dhamma, u, and u sounds. But here in family 5, 6, and 7, we will see that the ya in the faili mudare will have a fatha. Alhamdulillah. So here, starting with family 5, ba tafa'ulu, we'll see tafa'ul, we can say, and it is coming from mazhar. We'll see that ta'allama yata'allamu. Family 6, Bab Tafa'ul, Tasa'ala, Yatasa'alu. Family 7, Bab Infa'al, Inkalaba, Yankalibu. So here you can notice Ya with the Fatha, and all other letters are containing the Fathas. The last letter will have a Dhamma. And here, Bab's Infa'al, it will contain a Kasra in the third, in the second, in the middle root letter. So, bab tafa'ul, ta'allama, yata'allamu, bab tafa'ul, tasala, yatasa'alu, bab infa'al, inkalaba, yankalibu. So, let's learn about the implications of the surf patterns as we always do for the other families, family 2, 3, and 4. We are going to see the implications of family 5, 6, and 7, inshallah. So family 5, Bab Tafa'ul, and as I mentioned to you that the name comes from the mazhar, and you can see them in the classical Arabic books. The family 5 implications are that it is intransitive, does not push the fact to someone else, as we have learned in Allama and Farraka patterns that it pushes the effect to someone else. It is transitive. But here in family 5, we see that this family is not transitive. It is called intransitive and does not push the fact to someone else. It is long term, action takes time and effort, and it is repetitive, and it is also the action is applied to self, means it is not pushing, as I mentioned, that it does not pushes the effect to someone else, and it is different from allama family because there is only the addition of the ta, which is making it different from the allama family. This is starting with ta, and it is self, as in allama it pushes the effect to someone else. But this family, family 5, Bab Tafa'ul, it does not push the fact to someone else. For example, if I say the farraka needs to be divided, and if I say tafarrakatil awraq, there are papers that are divided on the table, they are dispersed on the table. So the fact on the division is on the papers. But if I say that the teacher divided the classroom, then the effect is on somebody else. That means the effect is on the students. The effect is not on the doer, not on the teacher. In that case, we will use farraka because the teacher is dividing the class. He caused the group to be divided. He caused the student to be divided. So this is the first thing, that the effect that goes on to somebody else. But in family 5, we see that as we'll see the examples, we'll see that the effect is not pushing or it does not push the effect to someone else. It is only to the self. So here we can also say taghayyara means changed. Ta'allama is a family, the ta'allama family, and it means changes in itself. And ghayyara changed. It is also from the allama family, but it is pushing the effort to somewhere else. Ghayyara, taghayyara. So here there is a difference of the transition. One is transitive and the other one is intransitive. So taghayyara is intransitive while ghayyara is transitive. So this is a main difference between allama and the allama family. Alhamdulillah. See family 6 implication bab tafaul. This is teamwork or association between two or more groups. So فعل ماضي استسال, he asked. فعل مضارع يتسال, he asked. and masdar is tasa'ulan, asking. Ism fa'il فهو متسائل, one who asks. Obviously, asking is from someone else. He asks from someone else. So this is the teamwork or association between two or more groups. Alhamdulillah. So this is the implication of bab tafa'al. Tafa'ul. Then there is inkalaba family, fa'il madi, fa'il mudari, masdar, and ism fa'il is inkalaba, yankalibu, inkilaban, fahuwa munkalibun. And there is a very particular feature of this family that it has no passive forms. It is always, therefore, it is always intransitive. It is lazim, it is not mutaddi, and it has no passive forms. Falamadi is inqalaba, he was turned. Falamudari is yankalibu, he is turned. Mazdar is inqalaban, being turned. And isim file is fahuwa munqalibun. And remember this fatha in the isim file, the one who is turned. So the implications are that it is always intransitive and it has no passive form. So let's start with Salasi Mazid fi family 5, Bab Tafa'ul. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. Tu'ullima yuta'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allamun. Al-amru minhu ta'allam. والنهي عنه لا تتألم وظرف منه متألم. As you can see that we always make this and فعل from the فعل مضارع, and we know that we use the second person anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna forms to make the فعل and فعل nahi. So ta'allama means he learned, as we have already discussed this in the allama family. You can go back to the session and see that allama means to teach and ta'allama means he learned. This is a big difference between allama and ta'allama family, that allama family pushes the effect to someone else while ta'allama is for the self-use. So ta'allama means he learned, ya ta'allamu, he learns, ta'alluman, learning, fahuwa muta'allimun is the one who learns. تعلم, he it was learned. فعل ماضي مبني للمجهول. تتعلم, it is being learned. تعلما, the mother is learning. فهو متعلم, the thing that is being learned. So the فعل أمر is تعلم, learn. ونهي عنه لا تتعلم, don't learn. وظرف منه متعلم is اسم ظرف, the time and space, the place of learning. Let's see the examples from this family 5. The kalima, the jazr, the sigha, and the maina. So here are the mana and here are some examples. The words which are from this family 5. Yatadabbaruna, this is from dabbara, yatadabbaru. So here you can see the jazr is here. Ta'allama, yata'allamu, tadabbara, yatadabbaru. So here, yatadabbaruna, this is the fa'il mudari, whom they ponder. The jazr is drop all the extra letters and we will get this dal, ba, and ra. Yatabaddalu, tabaddala, yatabaddalu. Tabaddala, yatabaddalu. Ba, dal, and lam are the jazr. This is fa'il mudari hua form. You can see tabaddala, yatabaddalu, the one who exchanges. There the markers, you can see that here the ta is the addition letter, and ya, you know that it is used for fa'il mudari, and the rest part you already know. Mutakabbirina, it is from, you can drop this ya and noon and then you can see that mutakabbir or mutakabbir, so it is isim file because the kasra is giving away the isim file. Mutakabbir means arrogant. It is takabbara, yatakabbaru. So it is mutakabbirun. So this is the mutakabbirina. It is the nasab or the jar form. Isim file, arrogant means arrogant. Tafarraka, yatafarraku. It is from faraka, fa'il madi huwa, and to be divided. Yatafarrakuna, it is tafarraka, yatafarraku, and it is yatafarrakani, yatafarrakuna. And again, fa, ra, and kaf are the juzr. And kind of word or the siga, it is pele mudare hum. They will become separated or they are separated. Because we know that fele mudare can be used as the for the future or the present tense. Muttahirina, tahara is file, the one who purified themselves. Ta, ha, and ra is file, the one who purified themselves. Muttahirina. This is quite a unique word. Muttahirina. We'll see this word in detail, inshallah. Let's see. Muttahirina. You know the pattern of this family? It should be mutatahhirina, mutaalliman, mutah. See here, mutatahhirina. Here, but here it is muttahhirina. So what is unique here? See here, this well, we know that it is from ba tafa'ul. See example, we see the root letters, swad, ain, and dal. The original is sa'ada yatasa'adu. There is an option rule in this bar, a very unique option if the first root letter is any of these letters. These are all the letters given: the ta, the sa, dal, za, ra, za, sin, sheen, swad, dwad, toy, and zoin, ta, and za, and the extra letter ta changes to the same letter as the first root, and then the like letters are merged. Right? So see this, mutatahirina, the ta is in this list of the letters. So ta and the ta are merged together. So when they are merged together, so here the ta in yatasa'adu here changes to swad, which is the first root letter, and we have yasa'adu. So here the swad and the ta are merged. In the same way, the ta and the ta are merged and we get a shadda on the ta. Same happened to here. Mutatahirina changes to muttahirina. So here this ta and ta are merged and we'll get a shadda on the ta. So here another example of this option rule is Sayyadzakaru man yaksha. Here we see that yatazakkaru instead of yazakkaru. So here the ta and the za are just merged together and we get yazakkaru. So yazakkaru instead of yatazakkaru. So we see this sayazakkaru mayaksha. Here it is used instead of yatazakkaru. So it is quite a unique option in this bab tafa'ul that we can merge the letters to the letter ta if the letters are from these letters. Alhamdulillah. Let's see some examples from the Quran for family 5, Ba Tafa'ul. We see that here the Surah Tawbah, ayah number 108, we see that Ayyat yatatahharu Wallahu yuhibbul mutahhirin. So this is that who love to purify themselves and Allah loves those who purify themselves. So here yatatahharu, we see that Tatahharu, yatatahharu. It is from the family five, Bab, Tafa'ul, and Wallahu yubbul muttahirin. And we know that it is originally mutatahirin, which is changed to muttahirin. Another example is from the ayah from this Surah Rum, ayah number 21. It is inna fi zalika ayatil liqawmi yatafakkarun. Yatafakkarun, tafakkara, yatafakkaru. This is hum form yatafakkaruna. Tafakkara, yatafakkaru. Who give thought. So this is the hum version and this is family 5, Bab Tafakkur. So here you can find more examples from the Quran for family 5 and notice the pattern, tafa'ul, tafa'ala. See here, the family, you can see ta'allama, yata'allamu. And this is the Sahih chart. You can also learn the Tabi chart and you can do it at your home and you can try ta'allama for fi'l madi and you can do the Kabi like ta'allama, ta'allama, ta'allamu, ta'allamat, ta'allamata, ta'allamna, ta'allamta, تعلمتما تعلمتم تعلمتي تعلمتما, تعلمتن, تعلمت, تعلمنا. So this is فعل ماضي تعلم. فعل مضارع you can see يتعلم, so you can do the صرف كبير and you can write like هو يتعلم, هما يتعلمان, هم يتعلمون, هي تتعلم, هما تتعلمان, هن يتعلمن. أنت تتعلم, أنتما تتعلمان, أنتم تتعلمون, أنت تتعلمين, أنتما تتعلمان, أنتن تتعلمن. أنا أتعلم, نحن نتعلم. So it is like this, and you can do the whole Sarf Kabir for all the sighas that are here. Mazhar is ta'alluman, and you know that you will write the Muslim chart ta'allamun, ta'allumani, ta'allumatun, because this is masdar and we will only use the Muslimatun chart here. Ta'alluman, ta'allumaini, ta'allumatin, ta'allumin, ta'allumaini, ta'allumatin. And like this, اسم فاعل متعلم, متعلم, متعلمان, متعلمون, متعلما, متعلمين, متعلمين, متعلم, متعلمين, متعلمين, متعلمين. All right. So here, just like that, you can do all the Sarf Kabir charts for all the sighas that are given here. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So commit yourself now to the practicing Ta'allama family using all the words. These I have given a list of the words. You can try these words at home and you can write the Sarf Sagir and Sarf Kabir chart. And we have done one for you. So here you can say these the word Tadabbara, Tafakkara, Tabaddala, Tahammala, Taqaddama, Tafassaha, Tatahara, Tanazzala, Tatawwa'a, Tarabbasa. So here you can try all these words for family 5. One is done for you. Tadabbara, he pondered. Tadabbara, yatadabbaru, he ponders. Tadabburan, pondering. The mazhar is pondering. Fahuwa mutadabbirun, the one who ponders. فعل ماضي مبني للمجهول. تدبر يتدبر تدبرا فهو متدبر. Here notice the فتحة. فعل أمر الأمر منه تدبر والنهي عنه لا تتدبر والظرف منه متدبر. So this is family 5. Alhamdulillah, we are done with our family 5. And I hope that you are going to practice these words and you do the Sarf Saghir and Sarf Kabir. Family 6, we are going to, inshallah, do it in the next session. Barakumullahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.